Hello everybody, today in front of me I have Xiaomi 12 Lite, and in this video I would like to demonstrate how you can bypass the parental control on this device. So to start off, I would like to mention that in order to execute the method that I'm going to show today, you gotta solidly know the password for the Google account that is associated with the child's site. So to start, you gotta launch settings, enter the Google category over here. Next, I also gotta warn you that we are going to delete the account that is linked over here, which will allow us to bypass in result. So yep, be aware, but at the same time, do not afraid. We will restore and recover the account right after the parental control will be switched off. So in here, as you can see, or not now, but here, the parental controls on my side are enabled. So I'll go to the Google account management. Then you gotta tap on the data and privacy section over here. Scroll the page all the way down. Go for the delete your Google account option. Then you gotta enter the password, which I will do off the screen real quick. Alrighty, so here is the next page that we'll get after entering the credentials. Here you have some warnings, what will be removed exactly, but as I've already mentioned, do not worry. There is nothing to be concerned of. We'll restore the account right away. So check those two boxes and confirm the account deletion. As you can see, the Google account has been successfully removed, and at the same time, by doing this action, we have turned off the parental control for this device. Because if we'll go to the Google category of settings and go for the parental control section, we'll see that it suggests that we set up the parental control, which means that there is no active family link for this device. Now all that it's left to do is to restore our Google account. So launch the Play Store app, sign in, enter the credentials for the said Google account. I'll enter the password. Prior to, as you can see, it says that this account has been recently deleted and may be recovered. So as I've said earlier, no worries. We will restore the account in no time. So after that, you gotta enter the password for the account, and as you can see, it gets restored right away. So we'll accept all the Google services, and just like so, we have successfully bypassed the family link / parental control with these. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.